Okay, so I know it looks like I've just gotten my hair done, but this, guys, is my natural hair. And I didn't realize how good it was because I haven't looked in a mirror all day. Like, doesn't it look like I've just gotten my hair done? I mean, it looks a bit whack, and it's, but oh my god. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a video where every day I'm gonna go do something productive. Every day once a week. So for today, it is Monday and it's currently nearly 5 o'clock. And I'm just gonna go through the clothes and I'm gonna decide whether or not I wanna sell them, give them to charity, or just keep them, or maybe some of them won't fit me anymore. I think I'm gonna straighten my hair because I like my hair straightened, so. If you don't know already, I use the Milk Style Stick. It is so good. I've had this since I was 12. I'm 18 now. It does the job. I've really gone for another straightener. This one for so long, I just can't see me like getting rid of it. Okay, so I'm back. Just straightened my hair, so that means I'm gonna start organizing my closet now. I'm gonna also make my bed and just sort out my room before I do that, so yeah. So I have all these clothes I need to put away. There's quite a few here. This is all my laundry, so I'm just gonna put this away. Okay, so basically this drawer here is just my drawer with all my pajamas and all my workout gear, and I've just bought all these new clothing in here, but all of this here has just been stuffed in here and it's not looking very clean. This is looking very clean though. Okay, so these are all the clothes that I would want to get rid of or I want to sell. I'm going to rather put them on Depop or I'm going to put them on Facebook. But yeah, I've got rid of a lot of stuff. This is really weird because I don't really use natural light in my videos, but I am trying new things and I feel like I've been editing this video and I feel like the one thing that I need to improve on is bringing in the natural light. Like I don't have any curtains or anything, that's just always closed, which is probably why if you think the lighting is bad in my room, that's probably why. But tell me guys, is this lighting way better? Are you able to see clearer? I have my ring light behind this. So you guys tell me, do you like this lighting or do you like the old lighting better? Do you like dark lighting? I don't know, but I'm kind of digging this lighting. So, and my skin looks good. So tell me what you guys think. day 3 I think today, and for today I'm going to be working out, and I'm also going to be taking my dog for a walk, because I think I said yesterday I was going to take my dog for a walk and I did not do that, so I'm going to do that. I think my tan has a little bit come off my neck and on my face, so apologize for that, but I'm gonna get ready and then I'm gonna work out and then I'm gonna take my dog Bella for a walk. So here we go. I'm here and I have my yoga mat right there and I'm gonna work out with Bella, and I've got my computer here for music. So yeah, we're gonna do a little workout. Hi guys, so it is day 5 and today I'm gonna do some more relaxing, productive things. Like I'm gonna write my journal, some affirmations, some things I want to happen in my future, some things I want to improve on, videos or things I just want to gain, a little bit of meditation after. So that will be part of my productive day for day 5.
We always say we have this unconditional love. That's not really true. If somebody doesn't take care of you and isn't kind to you, you stop loving them. Don't let that happen to you. You're going to fall in love over and over again. That is your journey.
Okay guys, so it is a couple hours later. I'm about to do some meditation. So I'm just going to sit here and relax for a couple minutes and just zen out. I might also light a candle and just relax with that, and yeah. Good afternoon guys, it is now Saturday and today I'm going to the mall? Shopping, whatever you want to call it. I'm going shopping today, and yeah, I'm gonna vlog that experience. So yeah. So I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a haul. I got this brown, like, what do you guys call these? Like sweaters? But it doesn't have a hood. I don't know what you call them, but I got this brown one because brown's really in right now, as everyone knows. It's quite popular. From Mecca, I got this. What I got, it's the really cute Coco Cabana Jet Set little package thing, and it comes with a body cream, a body cleanser cream for the shower, and a fragrance for your body and your hair, which is so good. And altogether this is like $38. This one here by itself is $30 in store, so you might as well just get this for $8 more, and you get the 2 extras. This one, but it's really small, I got it in a pack of 2 for $20 I think, but like it's all gone, so I got a new one. This foundation from CoverGirl, it doesn't really have a name, but this is what it looks like. Last thing I got was these pants. You can see they were $15, so they were on sale, and they were originally $30, so I got them for $15. So that was a good one. And I've been needing quite much longer pants, and I feel like these ones are cute.